I made this website using Claude Code for free. Claude Code is hands down the most powerful AI CLI right now, but Anthropic wants to pay $20 a month or blow through a expensive API key. What if I told you that you can run Claude Code for 100% free with zero limits on your local system without spending a single dollar? In next 4 minutes, I will show you the exact 4 steps how you can build this. Never miss step 3 and your terminal will throw an authorization error. Let's dive in. Before we start the video, we are close to 200 subscribers, so please subscribe our channel. That helps us to reach our milestone. First thing first, Claude Code run locally on NodeJS. If you don't have NodeJS installed, it would not even open. Head over to the official NodeJS link in the description or in the comment section. Pick your operating system, Mac or Windows, and hit the download. Now here 50% people mess up. After installing, open terminal or PowerShell and type node v. If you see a version number like 20xx, you are good. If it says command not found, restart your terminal and go to the next step. Now step 2, let's pull the official Claude Code CLI directly into your system. Copy the single line of command from this Google Sheet. I will put the link on our Telegram. Don't forget to join our Telegram or type this command and then hit enter. It takes about 60 minutes. Once it's done, type Claude on your terminal. Don't log in your Anthropic account. If you log in here, it will ask for your credit card. Here is how bypass it. This is the most critical step of this entire video. We are going to redirect Claude Code to talk to OpenRouter free AI models instead of Anthropic paid API key. To create settings.json file, first of all go to your file manager and then click on this PC and then go to your drive C and then click on users folder and then go to your folder and then click on .claude and open it, and you can see that I have a settings.json file. Let's open into VS Code. Inside this folder, create a file name called settings.json. Paste this exact JSON configuration code, link in our Telegram. But wait, where you get API key and model name for free? Let me show you. Click the OpenRouter's link below and log in for free. Click on the API key and create a API key. Give it any name like Claude free and set limit to unlimited. Copy that API key and paste it right inside your settings.json. Now for model name, go to the OpenRouter's model, type for free on the search bar and you will get instantly fast models for NVIDIA DeepSeek totally for free. Copy your favorite model and paste inside your settings.json. Hit enter and save this file and close all things. Now you have just unlocked Claude Code for unlimited. Let's test if it actually works without asking for money. Now open your terminal on any empty folder, type Claude and hit enter. Let's test if this free setup can handle instantly complex projects. Watch this, I give Claude Code a prompt to create 3D portfolio website with smooth scrolling animation. And within 50 minutes, it generates full HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. You can see its preview. Now I am not going to show you that how you can build exact 3D website today, but if this video hits hundreds of likes, I'll drop a full step-by-step setup tutorial that how you can Claude Code build this entire 3D animated portfolio website for absolutely scratch. So if this video saved you $20 a month or expensive API bill, hit this like button right now, subscribe for more tricks, and drop a comment if you face any setup issue. I will personally reply to help you fix it. Get us to 100 likes and I will see in the next 3D tutorial. Please like and sub more.